a wind advisory is in effect. Currently in our area, 72 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, windy with scattered thunderstorms, low 67. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Wednesday, windy, periods of rain in the morning, high 71. Wednesday night, clear skies, low 56. Winds southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Hurricane season doesn't stop for a pandemic, and neither do we. Get the information you need to stay safe every day, right here on the Weather Channel.
All right, now here on the Weather